a great day today. Ha? Ha? Ha?
Saan tayo pupunta today? Where are we going today?
Graduator.
Hindi graduator. Kayo ay mag-UN and Halloween.
Halloween.
Late Halloween celebration.
Oh.
At ang kanilang team ngayon ay
Team Yellow.
Sports Fest.
Sports Fest.
Sports attire.
Sports attire pala. Sports attire.
At si Rafa ay naka-favorite
Lakers.
basketball team.
Pakita mo
at
sa kanila yung
color.
likod.
Pakita mo yung likod.
Pakita mo yung likod para makita
Ang
nila
name,
yung...
may name yung player natin sa likod.
Ano name? Raphael09. Wow, okay na.
Bakit 09?
Magbabasketball siya later at magdadance. Kaya samahan nyo si Rafa sa vlog niya today dahil para sa kanya talaga tong vlog na to. Request niya na mag-vlog ngayon. Bye-bye. See you later.
Ang bilis!
Mamaya ulit. See you later, guys.
See you later, man!
And next, siyempre, last but not the least, our kindergarten, Trustworthy Local! Of a special day. Thank you for bringing together our school family, our classmates, teachers, and parents to celebrate friendship, teamwork, and joy through sports. Bless each learner with confidence and help us to play fairly, cheer for one another, and do our best in our team activity. May today be filled with laughter, learning, and lasting memories. We ask that you keep everyone safe throughout the activities. Protect us from harm, give us strength, and fill our hearts with kindness and respect for everyone around us. Thank you, Lord, for the chance to learn, play, and grow together. We offer this day to you with grateful hearts